We're all trying to get going here. Oh, take that one. And the two-wheelers, take the lead. Thank you. Well, that was brutal. You know what it is? It's the food driving me crazy. I smell it. That was bad. Thank you. Oh, it would have went, but I nailed it. Thanks, Sam. Thanks, Richard. I'm only a lap down now.
It's shaping up to be a B-man.
After 1 minute,
that's where I belong.
in first place
I got no steering, it's dead. Let it go,
followed by Jeff Biscuit in second place with 18 lap 5, 15.3 pace with 3 laps. Followed by Colin Deaver in third place with a 16 lap 5, 12.4
I've been traction rolling like crazy.
Yeah,
followed by Captain Knox in fourth place with a 14 lap 5 and 6.6 pace with 2 laps. Followed by Viper in fifth place with a 15 lap 5 and 3 flat pace with 2 laps.
Oh, sorry, man.
Yeah, take your time, man. I ain't going nowhere.
After 2 minutes, the top drivers are Bill McCracken in first place with a 18 lap 5.2.1 pace with 7 laps, followed by Brian Wright in second place with a 16 lap 5.6.8 pace with 6 laps, followed by Viper in third place with a 16 lap 5.08.5 pace with 6 laps, followed by Colin Deaver in fourth place with a 16 lap 5.18.1 pace with 6 laps, followed by Captain Knox in fifth place with a 14 lap 5.11.1 pace with 5 laps.
Come on, bud, I'm trying to stay out of your way. Oh, it's your turn. Thank you.
After 3 minutes, the top drivers are Bill McCracken in first place with a 18 lap 5.09 pace with 10 laps, followed by Lightfoot in second place with a 17 lap 5.12.3 pace with 9 laps, followed by Colin Deaver in fifth place with a 16 lap 5.06.7 pace with 9 laps, followed by Brian Wright in fourth place with a 16 lap 5.09.3 pace with 9 laps, followed by Captain Knox in fifth place with a 15 lap 5.12.3 pace with 8 laps.
Just the bill. Just the bill inside of the block. Half a lap behind. Time to go. If I can hang on, okay, Tom.
1 minute, 4 minutes. The top drivers are Bill McCracken in first place with an 18 lap 5.05.2 pace with 14 laps, followed by Viper in second place with a 17 lap 5.02.7 pace with 13 laps, followed by Colin Deaver in fifth place with a 16 lap 5.05 pace with 12 laps, followed by Brian Wright in fourth place with a 16 lap 5.13 flat pace with 12 laps, followed by Captain Knox in fifth place with a 9 lap 3.06.7 pace with 9 laps.
There it goes. That's the end for me.
Still pretty far ahead of me.
Here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Pick it up, pick it up.
3, 2, 1. Ryan Wright drive. Bill McCracken drive. Viper done.
Good one, guys. Good one.
Colin Peter
We need it
done.
for your radio.
All drivers are finished.